I got those plastic sheets from a friend nearby. His name is Anders. Thank you very much for them. I will see what I will do with them. They will be placed in the shower. So I hope everything will be working out. And we're going to do it today. Stay tuned to follow up. This is my sheet I made, a template to cut the plastic sheet for the shower. So see, they are lying all over. After washing I had to dry them. Now luckily we have 6 degrees. And here I started to paint. And I will try to use scissors to cut them. Maybe it's possible. So stay tuned to follow up.
Our love will never change, stays the same. It all feels brand new, but we know the truth. The choices that we make, it makes me and you. Here we go again. Here we go again. Have it all, but what is it all? Does money make us rise or make us fall? We're living on a dream or living free. We're all behind the scenes, and here we go again. As long as we stay true, we will get through. Excitement only lasts what we do. Same will never change, it's just a new phase. So darling, won't you stay, won't you stay? Here we go again.
have to apologize for the rush or the quality, but due to my work situation, and I would like to do some proper videos the remaining 10 days. To go to downtown again once more. Always when you need some parts, there's always something coming up which you didn't calculate or expected, so you need some additional parts. Really messy to lie in the wet gravel. So I put some boards underneath, just get started to get it done. I'm so done, seriously. Oh my god. I have been working all around the clock the last 10 days, you can say it, you can name it. No more anymore. I'm out of time. I'm so exhausted. I need a break. Seriously, it was so difficult, especially with the weather conditions, as you see in the following footage. Oh man, it's not easy. We had such a bad winter and it was really bad weather since September. And it's not stopping. It's just continuing. Just keep going on. As you see here, I started to rebuild everything, so I'll just keep you posted. Little update today. And I also did the plumbing now, and I will push it in this video, in the shower video. So if you would like to see the first part, you can click here on top. If you would like to see adventure with the van, you can also click there on the next video. And see you on the next one. Converting a van inside the Arctic North, I can tell it's far away from easy. You have always to fight against the weather conditions, and it has been going on now since September. Wouldn't believe it or not, but I'm totally done. Here in Norway, seriously, 7 months of ever-changing, everlasting bad weather. This is the toll you have to pay if you're living so far north. Sometimes I seek shelter for a really nice cup of cappuccino inside.